Imagine having over $160 billion in cash just waiting to be invested. What would you do? In a world where everyone is chasing returns, Warren Buffett is doing the opposite. Berkshire Hathaway, Buffett's company, is currently holding a near record level of cash, exceeding $160 billion. This has led to intense speculation. Is it a sign of market trouble or a brilliant long-term investing strategy? Some analysts believe Buffett is waiting for the perfect opportunity. He has often said he likes to be prepared to deploy capital when others are fearful. This huge cash pile gives him the flexibility to make major acquisitions or investments when the market dips or when undervalued opportunities arise. Alternatively, this cash hoard could signal a lack of attractive investment opportunities in the current market. Buffett is known for his value investing approach, seeking companies with strong fundamentals trading below their intrinsic value. If he's not finding these opportunities, he's content to wait. The Economic Times reports that this strategy reflects Buffett's disciplined approach to investing, prioritizing long-term value over short-term gains. He's not one to chase trends or overpay for assets. What do you think about Warren Buffett's strategy? Is he right to be cautious, or is he missing out on potential gains? Share your thoughts below.
Debt securities, municipal debt securities, securitized debt instruments are subject to risk, including delay and or default in payment. Read all the operating documents carefully.